This week, we're taking a road trip to Italy in order to share with you guys a little bit about our business model. We're a small South Florida based company and focus mostly on the development of products for the botanical industry. We travel the country and visit labs to learn what customers need, what works, and what doesn't. We can dedicate most of our time to product development because we have amazing friends that help us with engineering, manufacturing, and distribution. As of today, all of our products are made in Italy. In this video, we visit our main manufacturing facility, where amongst many things, we manufacture filter trolleys, filter presses, and our solventless mesclatore. We've known these guys for almost 20 years now and are so proud of the quality they deliver. This facility specializes in one-of-a-kind systems and specializes in stainless steel, titanium, and plastics manufacturing. We have in-house engineering, fabrication, UL certified electrical, and even robotics automation. Aside from botanicals, we serve the electronics recycling industry, including lithium battery recycling, precious metals refining, jewelry manufacturing, and even make machines to make metal powders used in metal 3D printing to make things such as jet turbines and rocket engines. Having all these skills in one place allows us to quickly design, prototype, and manufacture equipment. We're particularly fond of the plastics manufacturing capabilities. We can fabricate in a variety of plastics which are sourced from nearby suppliers in Germany such as Simona and Bayer. We can make complex geometrical shapes that are unfeasible to manufacture via injection or rotomolding. Like plastics, as they're easier and faster to manufacture than metal, are less expensive, and have superior chemical resistance and are preferred material for hash makers around the world.
This is where we assemble all the machine, carpentry, electrical connection, all these things are assembled here. We do the electrical connection also of the plastic machine in polypropylene. We built up the polypropylene in the polypropylene welding sector. Then here they do connect electrical connection, and then they test the machine if it's all okay. These are for gold refinery. These are furnace, induction furnace.
Yeah.
This is all automatized structure for gold ingots. It's the first step for all the automatized line. Yeah. Titanium. We have a sector of our factory to weld titanium. This is our carpentry. Here we do iron and stainless steel. We recover gold, silver, platinum, everything is there. It's the lining of the furnace because inside there are 100 degrees.
Yeah. I didn't realize you made your own furnace.
But we do all the steps. This is ready to be shipped to the customer.
Titanium.
Titanium. Also, this is titanium. And this is the plastic sector. This is the guy who welded your tank, the square tank. He's the plastic welding manager. Nice to meet you.
Charles, pleasure to meet
Ciao,
you.
ciao. And this is your first time. As we want to do it done, we have removed all the four legs that come from there. The grinding machine, and after that we use these tools. And you have a clean surface. Dov'è la... Portato su? Non è perfetto. Insert the code, and the machine give you the position of what you need. Quelle col bulbo sono. Di certo quella col filo e il bulbetto, quello con tutta la testa. Di solito però tutto c'è. Quella con il controllo. Con la testa. È la resistenza normale? Sì. Quelle sono una qualunque? Sì. Basta che c'ha la testa? Sì. This is the sensor.
The probe.
The probe, yes.
Yeah.
Now he give us the one with the head, the connector. Because this is with this end threatened. So you have to screw it and then something like
And the
this.
probe goes inside, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
You have the screw here, so you inside. This is inside and temperature.
I think that's fine.
Something like
Simple.
this.
I think that's fine. Oh snap!
We take the plastic sheet, we weld together, and then we curve it and weld together.
Right.
This is what we can create.
Huge.
It's huge.
And this is only one piece, because the tower are 4 pieces like this.
Wow. And then you fuse them
No.
on the site.
Yes, on the side.
Yeah.
This is the top there.
Yeah. Something like
No problem.
I don't like the size.
Yeah. And the open is always at the side of the brake.